I would say that most customers start out very small.
Mm,
I would say a lot of customers usually either start with one of our prepackaged workflows, ITSM usually, or CSM or
yep.
HRSD, and they just start out by maybe extending it, very small, kind of getting in their feet wet, or just, hey, I have got a business need or a business user over here. And our smaller commercial customers, even in law firms, I've seen are some of the biggest proponents of this here
Mm.
because they have the most limited budgets, they have the limited staff, so they really have to maximize the productivity. They don't have a lot of room for fluff, and they can't take a lot of these tools that come off as free and where they're spending
Yeah.
an exorbitant amount of time trying to automate things. And so with those smaller companies, I would say, look at the type of things that you're trying to automate and what it may be a best fit for it. When you start to break down, what ServiceNow is actually good at. And I heard this, and I'll be a little cheeky with this a couple of years ago from an ex-CEO. He's like, well, I get it. Salesforce is for sales, but ServiceNow is for work. And I just thought that was such an apropos way to look at it. It's
Yeah.
true. And what is work really? The majority of the things that happen in an organization that are considered work is, hey, can you take a look at this? Can you take a look at this? I need a couple of people to review this.
Hmm.
Those are workflows and approvals and tasks.
Yeah.
That's the core architecture of the ServiceNow platform:
Yeah.
workflows, requests, approvals, and tasks. The majority of the work that gets done in business is having people just look at stuff and approve stuff and then actually go ahead and commit stuff. And that's like 9 out of 10 times what people are using email and spreadsheets. I'll create a spreadsheet with a list of stuff people have to look at and review it, and I'll email it around like a ping pong ball. Those are all the type of applications that ServiceNow can help automate with and do
Hmm.
it very, very quickly. And it's not going to take you days and days and weeks, and you got to go contract out a big developer to do it. Those are the type of things that can be done very, very rapidly. So those smaller companies, you don't have to go in and boil the ocean, set up a giant program. I would say get small, get started with maybe some of the painful things and start to kind of little by little build up a groundswell. There's an evolution to this.